Welcome to Short Courses, the ultimate guide to being successful in life by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is an Indian spiritual leader and founder of the Art of Living Foundation, which aims to relieve individual stress, societal problems, and violence. For his service, he has received some of the highest awards of several countries including India, Peru, Colombia, and Paraguay. In January 2016, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India. Let's see some of his quotes to being successful in life. Don't think of anything as difficult. Know that we have an even greater power within, and according to that we get tasks to do. Life gives you both positive and negative. Focus on the good and move ahead with commitment. There is nothing to worry about. There will be tough times, nice times, good times, and bad times. They all come in life and go. Nothing stays. Faith is realizing that you always get what you need. If it appears as though you are failing, that failure is only to get you towards higher success. This is for sure. Commitment is about stretching your capabilities. It can take you across all obstacles. If you can win over your mind, you can win over the whole world. You have to find balance between your work and service. To make a living you work, and for satisfaction you do service. Just become totally content and happy from within. Then you will get all that you want. Perfect balance is like a razor's edge, it can be found only in the self. Forgive yourself and forgive others, don't chew on others' mistakes or your own mistakes. Do everything happily. Walk, talk, sit happily. Even if you complain against somebody, do it happily. Welcome each day with a genuine smile from within. Every moment you spend on this planet, remember that you are here for a unique purpose and cause, far greater than to just eat, sleep, and talk. Don't postpone your happiness until some perfect future date. Be happy now, tomorrow will take care of itself. Hope you liked these wonderful quotes by Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Thank you. Have a peaceful day.